If you're serious about cybersecurity, then this is your first step. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do before you take a course, before you pick a certification, or start applying for jobs, because this is where most people go wrong. My name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non-technical professionals find and start cybersecurity careers without needing to code. After years and years of helping organizations build security programs, I've seen the same pattern on the hiring side. People who know where they fit always move faster. People who don't stay stuck longer than they need to be. So most people start by trying to learn everything. They decide they want to get into cybersecurity, and any course, anything that says cybersecurity, they watch, they browse, they apply for any job, and it just feels unproductive. And here's the problem. You're trying to build a path without knowing the destination. And it's problematic. Think about it like planning a trip. You don't start by packing everything you own. You start by deciding where you're going first. And then based on where you're going, everything else becomes obvious. What do you need to bring? What do you need to pack? What don't you need? What matters most? Cybersecurity works in the same way. The first step is not learning. The first step is clarity and understanding where you fit. Because once you have clarity, everything gets easier. You stop jumping between topics. You stop second guessing yourself. You start moving with purpose. And if this is something that, matters to you, then you can get started right away. There's so much information that is available, and it's all relevant and it's all great information. There's courses, there's certifications, there's advice, but without direction, all of it is going to feel confusing. All of it feels important and none of it feels clear. Once you narrow in on a role, you filter everything through that lens. And when you see something, you can easily ask yourself, does this actually help me get to the role that I want to get to? And that's what actually creates progress. So let me help you make this practical. If you're at the beginning, or even if you've started, here's what your first step should look like. The first thing that you want to do is identify how you naturally work. Do you prefer structure or flexibility? Do you prefer details or big picture thinking? Do you like working with people or you prefer to work with systems? That matters more than you think. And then the second thing you want to do is map your current skills. So look at what you already do. So your organization, the skills, your communication skills, your process management skills, your problem solving skills, all of that is your starting point. The third thing is connect to a role, not any role, one role that fits how you think and how you work. That's your direction. And then that direction is going to create momentum. Start going with that direction. So if you've been trying to get into cybersecurity, but you feel like you're going in circles, you're applying for multiple roles, you're not hearing back, you're not sure where you fit, you're not even excited about the jobs, but because you just start applying for anything, you need clarity first. If you want to figure out where you fit in cybersecurity, I can help with that. There is what's called the Cybersecurity Role Finder. I'll put the link below or in my bio. So check that out and take the Cybersecurity Role Finder, zero in on one role that fits how you work, what you're interested in, and how you want to live your life. Role Finder will also tell you what the job is, the salary that it pays, how it works, whether it's remote or whether you need to be in the office. It will tell you the type of skills that's required and the things that you need to start learning to get into that role. So it really helps you just kickstart so that you have clarity going forward. My name is Kimberly Simon. If you are not already following me, follow me for more information on how to get into cybersecurity without needing to code. See you in the next video.